In the previous video of home automation on this channel, you would have seen I have made a home automation project in which we can control the lights in our home by sitting anywhere in the world. But in this video, I have made it more interesting by using Google Assistant. Lights on.
Turning lights on.
And the lights will turn on. So let's jump into it. Now for programming who don't have any Windows device, you can use the ESP8266 loader app. It's really easy to use. The link of this app will be given in description box below. So go in setting of this app and fill the SSID name, SSID password and the authentication code sent by Blink app. After filling all this information, come back and you get a lot of pre-written programs. So select Blink Basic ino.bin program. After selecting the proper program and port, connect NodeMCU to your mobile and start uploading the program. So when you will get this message, turn on serial monitor and press reset button on NodeMCU and then you will get results like this. So if you get the same results like I have got, it means the program is successfully running in NodeMCU. So for the Blink app setting, I have added a button and selected D2 pin for output, 1 for on and 0 for off. And you can customize the button text and color anytime. Now after doing this much, you would be able to control the light using the digital switch on your phone. For making Google Assistant turn on and off the light, we need to make a web request using IFTTT platform. After opening ifttt.com, click on Get Started and sign up with your Google account. After signing up, click on the 3 lines in top and create option in bottom to get this interface. Then if this, add Google Assistant. In Google Assistant, say a simple phrase. So what do you want to say is lights on and what's other way of saying it is turn on the light. You can change the instructions in your way. And for getting feedback from Google, I want Assistant to say turning on the light. I will keep the language in English, whether you can change the language and create this trigger. Then for making web request, I am going to use webhooks. So search webhooks and open webhooks. Then select make a web request in which you need to type the URL http is to /188.166.206.43 your authent token /update the output pin you have selected. Don't worry for the URL because the URL will be given in the description box below. The thing you need to change will only be the authent token and the output pin you have selected. I will recommend you to select the D2 pin, it will make more easier. Now in method select put and in content type select application/JSON and in body write 1 in double colon and in square bracket. Now after filling this carefully, create action, then continue and finish. Now after doing this process, you have successfully created a web request for turning on the light using IFTTT platform. So for turning off the light, you need to repeat this process. The difference will be only that instead of creating lights on, you need to write lights off, and in webhooks, instead of writing 1 in double colon, you will write 0. So finally our Google Assistant part is done. Now let's move on to the circuit part. Lights on.
Turning lights on.
Lights off.
Turning off the light.
Lights on.
Turning lights on.
Lights off.
Turning off the light.
Lights on. Lights off.
Turning off the light.
Lights on.
Turning lights on.
Lights off.